Hey everybody, it's Mark from Circle the Dark Mother. Today we're going to talk about Lilith candle magic. So what is candle magic? Using candles for magic is a very powerful way to focus your intent for a ritual. Any kind of candle can be used, but a pillar candle that will burn for multiple days is the most effective. I perform a ritual and use the candle as the focus during the middle of the ritual, letting it burn until the candle is completely finished. There are many examples of ritual within these videos on this YouTube channel. In fact, I just did one on a simple Lilith ritual, and you can use that as the outer working and then do the candle in the middle of it. And as you go through that, it'll make sense. So you can use whatever ritual paradigm you work in and incorporate the candle magic into the working. Make sure to put something under the candle to catch any stray wax, because if the candle doesn't have a glass or plastic container, it can make quite a mess on your altar. The candle. Color of the candle used can be selected to help focus the intent. Color ideas are white for health, luck, protection, black for breaking bonds, cutting cords, blue for learning, spiritual advancement, and prophecy, green for wealth and prosperity, red for sex, love, and passion. Gold can be similar to white or green because it can be health or protection type stuff, or it can be like the green because gold being prosperity. You can use other colors, whatever associations you have works. These are just some ideas. If the candle's not in a holder, you can carve the name of the person the magic is for, the desire you are seeking, or anything else that is pertinent to the working into the candle. So you just use a small knife or a sharp object and carve into it. If the candle is in a holder and you can't take it out, you can print a picture of the person or a picture of something that links to your intent, or you can print out words and tape them to the candle's vessel. Candle magic is especially useful when working with Lilith. Lilith's associated with darkness, fire, passion, and transformation. Because a candle is a small light that can shine in the darkness and is fueled from its own burning, it is a great symbol for Lilith's magic. I use candle magic quite often, but incorporating candle magic into a Lilith ritual, letting it burn for a full 7 days on my altar. This allows the intent and the candle for the magic to continue working for several days. I even have 7-day or 14-day candles, and those are really, really excellent because of the amount of time they burn, the amount of intent, the fact you can go back to it day after day. So very helpful. Hopefully that was helpful for you, and talk to you next time.